Hi everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you and welcome back once again on the YouTube channel of BYJU'S Exam Prep with 500 most expected questions of QA section. Now this is part number 21, so that means previously we have already covered 20 sessions on the most expected questions in the QA section of CAT examination. So friends, all of you, welcome back. I hope all of you are doing good and your preparation for CAT examination is going well. Also, with the registration of CAT already started a few days back, I'm hopeful that all of you must have completed your application process based on one of the sessions that we have conducted on the form filling of CAT examination. So, Praveen, Saket, Priyanshi, a very good afternoon to all of you. All right, friends. So 500 most expected questions of QA section. Now, what type of questions are we covering in these sessions? Now, friends, we basically started with some of the very basic elementary questions that have appeared in CAT examination. Okay, but I can say that if you look at the majority of the majority of the questions are somewhere around moderate level of difficulty. So, in these sessions, we have already reached to this level of difficulty, and the questions that we are covering nowadays, they like most of these questions are of moderate level of difficulty, and yes, they have the maximum chances to appear in CAT examination. All right. So without wasting any time, let us start solving these questions. Also, like if you are done with your preparation and you are looking for some new questions for the revision, then these sessions will definitely serve your purpose. You can solve these questions in the live format as and when I'm conducting these sessions. Okay, so as soon as the question will appear on your screen, you will be given 1 minute and I will see how many of you can give an answer in that 1 minute. All right, so let's start solving. All of you be ready with a rough sheet. Okay, one sheet of paper will be enough for the questions that we are covering today, right? And take out a pen and be ready to solve these questions. Okay, so in a few moments, the first question will appear on your screen. Let's start solving with the first question. All the very best to all of you. So the first question on your screen, you are given that PQ plus QR plus RP is equal to 2. Then you'll have to find out the value of the given expression in terms of P, Q and R out of the given options. So basically you just have to simplify this value and match among the following options. All of you must post your answer in the chat box in the form of option A, B, C or D. Okay. Do not write the complete expression of the answer. Just write your answer in the form of option A, B, C or D. I'll give you 1 minute for this one. Yes, Saksham, it totally depends on how much efforts you are going to put on. Okay, so even if you're starting now, yes, it is very much possible to crack the CAT examination. And I tell you, practically, in my career of 15 years, more than 15 years, I have seen plenty of students who have started their preparation in August and they have completed their MBA from any of the IIMs. So yes, practically it is possible. Totally depends on how much time and efforts you are going to put in for the preparation of CAT examination. All right. Okay. So any answer for this first question? All right. Saket is the first one. Nice. Okay. I shall start solving this. Okay. Chaliye. Start karte hain. Now look at the expression whose value we'll have to find out. We have to simplify this. I look at the denominator of the first term, 2 minus PQ. The given equation is this. Now from here, I can say that 2 minus PQ will be equal to QR plus RP. Alright. So the denominator can be written as QR plus RP for the first term. Similarly, for the second term, 2 minus QR, again I'll look at this expression and I can take QR on the right hand side. So 2 minus QR can be written as PQ plus RP. And similarly, the denominator of the third term. Okay. So this expression will look like numerator P plus Q and the denominator is QR plus RP. Okay, this is the first term of the expression. The second term, Q plus R divided by PQ plus RP. And the third term, R plus P divided by, it will be 2 minus RP. So 2 minus RP can be written as PQ plus QR. Okay. Now from the denominator of the first term, I can take R common. Okay. So I'll be left with R multiplied by P plus Q. P plus Q from numerator and denominator will get cancelled. So I'll be left with 1 upon R. Alright. Plus 1 upon P plus 1 upon Q. Okay. Now I take LCM and LCM will be P into Q into R and the numerators will be PQ plus QR plus RP. Now from the given equation, the value of PQ plus QR plus RP is equal to 2. I'll do the substitution in the numerator and the answer, the simplified form, I'll get 2 upon P into Q into R. Okay, so 2 upon P into Q into R is option C, which 5 of you have given the correct answer as. Nice, Saket, Shraddha, Shubham, Gaurav. So there are 2 Shubham Agarwal. Okay, nice. So 5 of you have given correct answer. So yes, option C is the correct answer for this one. All right, let's move on to the second question. Second question, two equations are given in the form of A, B and C and find the value of the whole number, find the value of, so isko hata sakte ho, so find the value of B plus C. So two equations are given and you are asked to find out the value of B plus C. And the questions are doable, it's just that how much time you are taking to give me an answer for each of these questions. Yes guys, any answer? All right, Shubham, again, one of the students who has given the answer, Gaurav, Saket, Shubham Agarwal. Nice. So people have started giving the answer. So once one of the answers is different, okay, chaliye, check karte hain. Since I have to find out the value of the expression that involves B and C, so I will try to eliminate A. Okay, so out of the two equations, I'll eliminate A. In the second equation, the coefficient of A is 20 and in the first it is 5. So I'll multiply the entire first equation by 4. Okay. So first equation को 4 से multiply कर देते हैं. 20A minus 24B is equal to minus 60. Writing the second equation as it is, 20A minus 21B plus 3C is equal to 90. Okay, now do the subtraction. Second equation minus first equation or first equation minus second equation. You can do whatever. So I'm doing second equation minus first equation. So minus 21b minus of minus 24b. So minus 21b plus 24b, it will give me 3b. 3c will be written as it is. 90 minus minus 60, that will be 150. So if I take 3 common, I can write b plus c as 50. Okay. So the value of b plus c was required. B plus c is equal to 50. The correct answer is option C. And I can see plenty of you have given the correct answer. Option C. Nice. Good. Keep it up. So correct answer being option C. Let's now look at question number 3. If A and B are two real numbers that satisfy A multiplied B is equal to 2106, then find the minimum value of A plus B whole square. Any answers for this one? All right, Dhruti. Now you'll have to find out the minimum value of the given expression. Okay, so be careful with this. Aurab says nahi hua sir. Okay, Saket option D, Dhriti option D. Now we have to minimize A plus B whole square. Now to minimize the value of A plus B whole square, I should minimize the value of A plus B. Okay. Now for a given product, the sum will be minimum if the numbers are equally divided or the numbers are as close as possible. Okay. So the product of A and B is 2106 and it is given that these numbers are real numbers. So you're not given that these numbers are natural numbers. Fine. So two numbers, their product is 2106 and they are real numbers. To minimize the sum of these two numbers should be as close as possible, preferably equal. Okay. So if I'll assume that A and B are equal, so I can say that A into B will become A square, that is equal to 2106. So the value of each of A and B will come out to be under root of 2106. Okay. So A will be equal to B and they both will be equal to under root of 2106. Okay. Now I'll substitute the value of A and B in the required expression. So A plus B, that is under root of 2106 plus under root of 2106 whole square. So that is equal to twice of under root of 2106 whole square. So 2 square is 4 and under root of 2106 को square करेंगे, it will come out to be 2106. Multiply this, the answer will be 8424. So 8424, option B is the minimum value of A plus B whole square. All right. So I can see that only two of you could give a correct answer. Never mind. Keep it up. Like your performance was good in the first two questions. First two questions were relatively easier. Okay. So make sure that now you'll be able to give me a correct answer for the next set of questions. All right. Chaliye. आगे चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 आसान सा क्वेश्चन है on quadratic equations. So if the roots of the given equation are reciprocal of each other, then find the sum of the roots. You are given that the roots are reciprocal of each other. Okay. Now what happens when the roots are reciprocal of each other? This is what we'll have to find out. Praveen, that was the best way of solving that question, easiest way. For the previous question, I've used a predefined result, okay, which says that for a given product, sum will be minimum if the numbers are equally divided. Yes, any answer for the given question? All right, Ashish. Wonderful, wonderful. Easy question, eh? Right? Now, the property that you must know here is if one root is reciprocal of the other root, let's say one of the root is alpha, another root will be 1 upon alpha. So I can say that the product of the roots will come out to be 1. All right, the product of the roots will be 1. For any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, the product of the roots is c upon a. Okay. Now for the given equation, you are given that the product of the roots is 1. So in the given equation, c upon a will be p upon 1. Okay. Wait, just to avoid confusion. So product of roots is c upon a. In the given equation, c upon a is p upon 1. That will be equal to 1 as per the given question. Okay. So p का value कितना आ जाएगा? P का value 1 आ जाएगा. And substitute the value of p here or in the entire equation. So the equation will become x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Now I'll have to calculate the sum of the roots. Okay. Sum of the roots is minus b upon a. So that is minus of minus 6 upon 1 and that will come out to be plus 6. So yes, the correct answer is option A, correctly given by almost all of you. Nice, nice, great, lovely. So option A is the correct answer for question number 4. Okay, moving on to question number 5. Question number 5, slightly difficult. Let x and y be real numbers satisfying the given inequality. Look at the inequality carefully. Using this, find the value of x square plus y cube. Find the value of x square plus y cube. I'll give you some extra time for this one. Okay, थोड़ा सा difficult question है. Okay. Some of you have given the answer. Waiting for a few more seconds. So meanwhile, I'll take all the terms on one side. So I can write this expression as 5x square plus y square minus 4xy plus 2 minus 4x plus 2 is less than equal to 0. Okay, चलिए start करते हैं. Now first of all, I'll extract something from here, use this and use this to make it a perfect square. Okay, so 5x square, I'll write it as 4x square plus y square minus 4xy. Okay, I'll keep it separately. Then from 5x square, I have taken 4x square, so x square is left. Okay, minus 4x plus 4. I treat this separately, right? And it is less than equal to 0. So now just taking out x square, 4x square plus y square minus 4xy can be written as a perfect square of something, and the leftover portion x square minus 4x plus 4 can also be written as the perfect square of something. So let's do it. So 4x square can be written as 2x whole square. So basically this will be 2x plus y whole square, the first bracket, and the second bracket is x, no, 2x minus y whole square, I'm sorry. So 2x minus y whole square, all right, and the second bracket is x minus 2 whole square, and it is less than equal to 0, right? Now some of you must have reached up to this portion. Now after this you need to observe the left hand side. Now left hand side is basically the sum of two perfect squares. Sum of two perfect squares can never be less than 0. Less than 0 कभी नहीं होंगे. And the expression is telling me that, the inequality is telling me that it is less than or equal to 0. So less than 0 वाला तो point remove हो गया, right? Less than 0 वाले cases तो remove हो गए, it cannot be less than 0. So if it is not less than 0, that means it will have to be equal to 0. So I can say that 2x minus y whole square plus x minus 2 whole square will be equal to 0. Now the sum of two perfect squares will be equal to 0 only when they are individually equal to 0. Okay, so that means this portion inside the bracket is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. So 2x minus y equal to 0. That means y is equal to 2x, and the second bracket x minus 2 equal to 0, that means x is equal to 2. Alright, now I've got the value of x as 2. Substitute the value of x in the first equation, you will get the value of y. So the value of y will be equal to 4. So I've got the values of x and y which can be substituted here to find out the value of the required expression. So x square plus y cube, I have to find out the value of this. The value of x is 2, so 2 square is 4, and y cube, which is 4 cube, is 64. So the final answer to this question will be 68. That is option B. Okay, lovely question this was. Some of you have given a correct answer. Good to see that. Okay, so that was question number 5. Answer 68, option B. Let's move on to question number 6. Question number 6, based on logarithms. If log a to the base 8 minus log under root a to the base 8 is equal to 2 log 8 to the base a, then find the real number value of a. A की value calculate करनी है. Again, easy question है. I'm expecting most of you to give an answer for this one, to give a correct answer for this one. Okay, so let's solve this. अभी तक तो आंसर आ जाना चाहिए था. I don't know why. This is one of the easiest question of this lecture, and you are unable to give me an answer. That is strange. You have given me answers to difficult ones. What has happened in this case? चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. So log a to the base 8 as it is. Now a under root a है यहाँ पे, so it can be written as a raised to the power half. So half will come in front, and log of a to the base 8, that is equal to twice of log of 8 to the base 8. Okay, on the left hand side, x minus half of x, so it can be written as 1 upon 2 log of a to the base 8, that is equal to twice of log of 8 to the base 8. Okay, now log a to the base 8 can be written as log a upon log 8. ठीक है, so कर लेते हैं सिंप्लीफाई. 2 को राइट साइड में ले जाते हैं, 4 बन जाएगा. So log of a upon log of 8 will be equal to 4 times log of 8 upon log of 8. Now do cross multiply and it will become log a upon log 8 whole square is equal to 4. So log a का value कितना आ जाएगा? It will be 4 times or twice of log of 8. Okay, 2 will go become the power of 8, so it will become log of 8 square, that is log of 64. So log a का value कितना आ गया? Log 64. So from here I can say that the value of a will be equal to 64. Step by step solve करो, बहुत easy question था ये. Okay, I don't know why you were not able to give an answer. Still, Saket and Pi Square have given the answers. Nice. So the correct answer here is option C, that is 64. Next question, question number 7. Now you need to give me an answer for this one. Easy question. The 8th term of an increasing GP is 9 times the 6th term. Find the first term when its 4th term is 81. ये आंसर चाहिए मुझे. At any cost, you need to give me an answer for this. And all of you, all the students who are attending live right now. Yes, any answer? Shubham, nice. Solve करें? Okay. So 8th term, how can I write 8th term of a GP? General term. Nth term is equal to a r raised to the power n minus 1. Okay. So 8th term will be a r raised to the power 7. This is given equal to 9 times the 6th term. That is a r raised to the power 5. A will get cancelled, r raised to the power 5 will get cancelled, so I'll get r square is equal to 9. So the value of r can be plus 3 or minus 3. Okay? Up till this point, now I've got two values of r. In the question, it is given that it's an increasing GP. Increasing GP, that means the value of R should be greater than 1, right? Less than 1 नहीं हो सकती, negative नहीं हो सकती. Okay, so the value of R will be equal to plus 3. We have got this. Done. Find the first term if the fourth term is 81. Now, fourth term, that is A R cube, is equal to 81. From here, you can find out the value of A by substituting the value of R. Okay, R का value substitute कर दिया, R cube will become 3 cube, that is 27. So the value of A will come out to be 3 after substituting the value of R. Okay, so yes, the correct answer is option A for this one. Option A, that is 3. All right, fine. Let's move on to the next question, question number 8. Solve for real numbers. So you are given that modulus of x minus 2 minus modulus of x plus 2 should be greater than 2. So what will be the range of the values of x? Now this question looks difficult, but you can make it easy. There is one way you can solve this question and it will become easy. Let's see if anybody can or will take that approach or not. All right, nice. Okay, so maximum majority of you are giving option A as the answer and some of you have given B as the answer. Check करते हैं, चलिए. Now what I'll do is I'll be going through the options. Fine. Now among the options, I can see that there are some options in which x equal to 0 is present, and there are some options in which x equal to 0 is not considered. Fine. So I'll check the value of this expression. I'll check the validity of this expression at x equal to 0. So at x equal to 0, 0 minus 2 modulus will be 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Is 0 greater than 2? No, it is not. So the value of this inequality, it does not satisfy at x equal to 0. Okay, so whichever options has 0, those options will be eliminated. Fine. So option B, x is less than 1, includes 0, it will be eliminated. Option C, x is between minus 1 and minus 2 and plus 1. Again, this contains 0, it will be eliminated. Okay, so now I'm left with the two options, option A and D. Fine. So I've already eliminated option C. Okay, option A and D are left. Now I'll pick one of the values that is there in one of these options and not present in the other option. Okay, so I can consider x equal to minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 is there in option A, but it is not there in option D. So x equal to minus 1.5 substitute करते हैं. So minus 1.5 minus 2, that is minus 3.5 का मॉडुलस क्या हो जाएगा? 3.5 minus 1.5 plus 2 is 0.5, 0.5, and that is equal to 3. Now 3 definitely is greater than 2. So x equal to minus 1.5 satisfies the given inequality. And x equal to minus 1.5 is there in option A, but not in option D. Okay. So using elimination, just by substituting two values of x, I have got my answer. Simple as that. So the correct answer for question number 8 is option A. Okay. Now this is the best way of tackling these type of questions in CAT. If you'll solve it completely, fine, using a conventional method, then it will take plenty of time of yours. All right. So, friends, that's all from my side. These were the questions that I wanted to discuss in today's lecture. I hope you would have liked all these questions. You would have learned something from these questions. Okay. Now, some important information for all of you. You can unlock your free trial to ace CAT with BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive examination preparation platform. So unlock your 3 days free trial access on our portal by logging into our application, entering your mobile phone, and good to start with your free trial. Also, you can enroll for CAT 2023 and other MBA entrance examinations test series, which will include more than 80 mocks, topic-wise tests covering all the subtopics, video solutions for each and every CAT mock examination, and the detailed mock analysis. It will help you to basically strategize your preparation in a proper way. Okay, so make sure if you are not a student of BYJU'S Exam Prep, join this test series today only. All right. This is the list of CAT 2022 toppers. Now, also new batches are available for those students who have not started their preparation or are thinking or have just started their preparation but have not joined anywhere. So new batches are available for CAT 2023 comprehensive program, right? On your screen, you can see the details, the entire details of this program that we offer to our students. Also, All India Open Mock for CAT 2023 will be live starting from 11th of August and it will be there up till 20th of August. So make sure that you will register for this examination and write this examination. Okay, you'll be given video attempts by an alumni, and you can identify your D-Day strategy by taking this mock examination. There will be video solution available for each and every question. All right, so why not take this examination and test yourself among the thousands of test takers who have enrolled for this test. All right. Also, you can get up to 90% scholarship on CAT preparation program. So if you want to join any of the CAT preparation program at BYJU'S Exam Prep, take a scholarship test on 13th of August at 11 a.m. Before that, you will obviously have to register for this test by going to the application of BYJU'S Exam Prep. Okay, so hurry up and avail up to 90% scholarship, right? Also, we are conducting a live interactive workshop on 20th of August in which Srinivas sir will be talking about why, how, and when you should start your MBA. Okay, so register for this workshop by going to the application of BYJU'S Exam Prep. Limited seats are there, so do it as soon as possible. You can get social with us on all these social media platforms. Thank you very much for being a part of this session. I hope you would have liked this. Have a wonderful time.